Okay, so this is it. The Canon RF 400mm 2.8 prime lens.
Hello there. We're just about to grab an Uber and head to an air show where we're going to be taking some sick photos and videos of planes.
Yes.
Bart's a big fan of planes.
I am.
Yeah. But more importantly, we're going to see a man about a lens. A pretty impressive, big, sick lens.
Believe us when we tell you this man has a healthy obsession with gear, and we're going to share it with you, so see you in a moment. So we're at the Gdynia Aerobaltic Airshow in our hometown. Just check it out. There's like hundreds of airplanes, a 6 spotters area, gear rental, fast jets doing oh my God. Fast jets doing mental stuff in the air. It's literal heaven. This is the spotters area. As you can see, we have some premium access for some elevated viewpoints and basically just frontline viewing of the planes. So we're about to take you to meet Michal, who is literally the biggest gearhead we know. We prefaced him earlier and now he's going to show you something very special. Let's go. Okay, here he is.
Hello guys.
Tell us what you've got.
I know it's not because of me, but you're here because of this piece of glass. It's the new Canon RF 400 2.8 lens, and I'm a proud owner of it. I believe it's the first unit here in Poland, so I'm just testing it for last couple of weeks, and so far it's just great. So the specs, it's a fixed aperture, it's 400mm, 2.8. What else? Great Ibis stabilization in it. Compared with the Ibis in the R5, it's like more than 505 stops. But what's more, you may know this lens because it's built based on the EF Mark III version.
Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same picture.
And it's just super light, super efficient, super sharp. And yeah, it's dedicated for the new mirrorless system, so far it works.
We heard that it's not really an RF lens.
Yeah, exactly. It's because of this crazy little thing, which is the adapter that was mounted or fixed to the old lens. And basically this is the EF lens with the adapter sticked on and with slightly better stabilization and some firmware updates. So I know it's why it's longer. Yeah. So it's not fitting into every bag right now because I also had to change my trusted low pro bags into the Shimoda ones, and now it fits somehow.
You've been testing it over the past 2 days, nearly 3 days here at the air show. How has the autofocus been?
I had no issues. It's just picking up the subjects perfectly, but compared with the R5, which is one of the best mirrorless camera here in the market, and yeah, it's just tracking and focusing on the subject super fast, super accurately, and it's just working. I'm just pressing the shutter button and that's all.
If you want to find out whether the Canon R5 is the best on the market, we'll put a video up here.
Oh, and there is also one drawback, it's super expensive.
We'll put the price up here somewhere.
And then put a loser on the top of my head. Because it's a horrendous amount of money that you need to spend on this lens. Especially this is the new one, but if you check the price of the EF lens, it's the same.
Just been having a look at some of the shots that I've got over the weekend on our... Take 2. So we've just been having a look at some of the photos that I've got over the weekend with our Sigma 100 to 400mm, which is something like 12 or 14 times cheaper than this Canon 400mm f2.8 RF Prime. The photos seem okay, they're sharp, they're nice, so why on earth would you buy this absolute beast of a lens?
Especially because of the light, this is 2.8 lens and it helps me, especially my wildlife shooting, when I can wake up earlier and get 2 hours in the morning for shooting. And the same is when it comes to the evenings, I can shoot longer and get more light. Yeah, I was using the 100 to 500 lens from Canon, I was also considering the 600 f.4, but this one is just much better for me.
So yeah, the f2.8 allows me how to get the light that he needs. And I guess air shows, other specific uses?
Yeah, but this is the air shows, yeah, this is another specific use, but you can use any prime lens here and get this crisp, sharp shots, because the primes are giving you those little touch of sharpness that you cannot get with any zoom.
Small?
These are the main reasons why I've got this one, yeah. Because you need to know when you want to buy this lens, you need to know that you need this kind of a glass. You are not buying the prime lenses just because you want. You need to have a place where you're going to use them, and you need to have opportunities to use them.
It's a specific purpose lens, but if you need it, it will deliver.
Definitely. Yeah, thanks.
Yes, yes, well done, Slytherin, well done, Slytherin, however.
No, we are not switching back to Canon.
Oh, and did we mention it's the first lens in the country? This is literally the first one. Right there. Why would you do that?
These are what every air fan has.
Spotter, every professional spotter.
Oh, sorry.
Spotters get laid, by the way.
It's such a pleasure to have Michał on the channel with the beast that is the RF 400mm f2.8.
Or shall we say, it's a pleasure to have the 400mm on the channel with the beast that is Michał.
Yeah, because cameras don't take good photos.
People do.
People do.
Yeah.
No, but you can get quite bogged down with the whole Sony Canon rivalry. We got quite, personally offended by the R5. But at the end of the day, we can appreciate good gear.
Are you serious right now? We can appreciate good gear and the amazing technology that gives us the opportunity to get these absolute bangers for Instagram and other platforms.
Yeah, we will not be investing in the 400mm.
For now. And we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
They're about to do the flag of Poland, we know, because they did it yesterday, so it's pretty sick. Yeah. Yeah. We've got quite a few on that.
Every time we decide to film a segment, it gets super loud. Like a plane decides to take off, or they decide to
I swear to God, I'm quitting YouTube.
Just stop.
Stall. I like blends. Do you want me to give a little summary or what?
Nah.